Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadruchalabha santushto dvandvatito vimatsaraha samaha siddhavasiddhau cha krutvapi na nibadhyate. Om. Be content with whatever that you have. Endure everything that is coming to you. Stay balanced in failure and success. Do not carry any animosity towards any being in this world. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall be content with whatever that I have. I shall endure heat and cold. I shall stay balanced in success and failure. O Srimanarayana, I shall not carry any animosity towards any being in this world. Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Parasurama making all the Kartavirya Arjuna's soldiers into pieces and pieces. Drishtva svasainyam rudhira augha kardame ranajire ramakutara sayakaihi. Parasurama with his axe and arrows, he is making all the soldiers' shields, their dhvajas, their bows, their bodies into pieces, and he is making entire blood bleeding on the earth. After seeing all that, Kartavirya Arjuna with so much of angry, he came down to battlefield and with his panchasateshu bahubhihi dhanushu banan yugapat sasandadhe, with his 10,000 shoulders, holding 500 bows at once. He shot so many arrows upon Parasurama. Whereas Ramaya Ramostra Bhrutam Samagrini, the great soldier Parasurama, with his only one bow and shot so many arrows and broke all the arrows which were shot by Kartavirya Arjuna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 22nd sloka. Yadruchalabha santushtaha dvandvatito vimatsaraha samasiddhavasiddhau cha krutvapi na nibadhyate. Yadruchalabha santushto dvandvatito vimatsaraha samasiddhavasiddhau cha krutvapi na nibadhyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.